Hey guys, you're back here with Ask Lou, and the topic that we're going to go over today is how to fight your anxiety. You see, I've been dealing with anxiety myself for about as long as I can remember, probably through the range of my teenage life to this point that I'm sitting here with you today. And trust me, I know I'm not alone in this aspect. I mean, come on, who doesn't like their casual dose of rapid heart rate? Dizziness? Shortness of breath? And don't forget the kicker, unconsciousness. Hey guys, how you doing? What the fuck just happened? These symptoms are simply terrifying, and sometimes you can actually traumatize yourself. I mean, some people can't even leave their house because they don't know what the situations in their day have in store for them. But that's why I'm sitting here today, because I want to tell you, you can win the fight. If you get to that point where you feel extreme anxiousness, just remember all the symptoms will rise to their peak just around 10 minutes. Always make sure to remind yourself that anxiety attacks can only last from 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes they last a little bit longer on rare occasions. Oh great, so for 30 minutes I have to feel like I ran a marathon and I have to go to the fucking hospital because I'm dying tonight. Unless you're like me and you build up a repertoire of problems to really make sure you push yourself to the edge, to unconsciousness. And always keep this mental note. You want to own your anxiety. You do not want to try to push it out. You want to know why? Because it doesn't work. Whenever I get really close and I can tell that I'm starting to have an anxiety attack, you could probably catch me outside taking a brisk walk, or catch me pacing in a room back and forth. This is a really good and simple way to fight anxiousness. It's deep breathing exercises. You can reduce symptoms dramatically with deep breathing. You really want to stay away from hyperventilating. Take control of yourself. And like a good wise friend once told me is, you're the fucking boss. Remember, you're the driver of this machine. You control the computer. You're just along for the ride. You want to know another really good way to control anxiety? Make hobbies. Don't come home after work and just sit in your chair all day and do absolutely nothing. You want to put things in place to keep your mind busy all the time. You want to know what helps me whenever I start getting anxious about everything in my life, like everything that comes back and forth and hits you from up to down, and you start thinking about everything. Bills, going to the store for groceries, going over here because someone needs your help, and then all of a sudden you gotta do this, and then you gotta go to work, and it never slows down. The one key factor to remember is, we all die one day. I mean, come on, I think that would be the most tragic thing that could happen, so why worry about any other thing? We all experience life differently. And I like to talk to people so I can hear their situations and know what they go through on a day-to-day basis. I'm getting really close to the end of this video now, so if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more content in the future, all you have to do is subscribe. And everybody please remember, one thing, ask Lou.